Good morning, everyone. I'm your loving joker, Rhythm Balik, and if you are watching this video, you all are part of my bat army. So, in this video, we are going to learn what is logistic regression and which type of machine learning it is part of, and everything about logistic regression, and what are the advantages using logistic regression, what are disadvantages, and I will explain everything you need to know about logistic regression. In this video, it's like only introduction of logistic regression and no numerical because it's not necessary. And in the next video, I'm going to show how to implement logistic regression. So stay tuned with the both of the video and subscribe to my channel and follow the playlist of machine learning algorithms. So without wasting much time, let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. Okay, so before knowing what is logistic regression, we should know what is supervised learning. And in this playlist, I have told you many times what is supervised learning. So basically, in supervised learning, we have labeled data set, which means we know what is our training data set, what is our testing data set, what is our what you say, what is our x, what is our y, what is our dependent variable, what is our independent variable. We give our algorithm everything, what is x, what is y, mainly x and y means independent and dependent variable. Okay, so after supervised you should know what is classification. Okay, so with the name classification is like we have a little bit amount of means in our mind that what is classification. Classification means that it is classifying two or more objects. Is like in this image you can see is like class A is of circles, class B of triangles. Same like in your school or college, there are many sections A, B, C, D. Then class A is separate, class B is classified class B, and so on. So classification is just mean to is like classify similar amount of data together. Okay, and in regression what we did is uh yeah, here in regression what we did is we try to make a line which can which can be close to all the maximum number of data points. Okay, we just have to draw a line. You can see that here the line is drawn according to this data points, although this line should be like this, but this model predicted line like this. Okay, so it is consisting of many of the data points. Okay, so this is regression and classification. Just we make a line, but our line classified the substances like this is red, this is blue. Like the right side of the line is blue, the left side of the line is red. Okay, so classification is of many types. Like this is binary classification. This is multi-class classification. Here we have orange, apple, and banana, and which we have given to the model that it's separated up apple, orange, and banana. So this is type of multi-class classification. Okay, so now you know what is. Oh, actually, I was saying so again fast. Okay, you can do 0.75, although I will try to go slow. Okay, so this is all you need about classification and supervised learning. Okay, after this you can jump onto logistic regression. Okay, so logistic regression is a type of machine learning, supervised machine learning, which below uh, in which we try to classify using the lines. Okay, when we in the beginning we use linear class what I'm saying, in beginning we use simple linear regression. Okay, but there the our problem was that we were not able to classify. That's why we made logistic regression. Okay, so so in logistic regression we classify two classes in different category. We can use classify more than two categories, but we can classify many things. Okay, but we can't use logistic regression for generative algorithm. We can use it like naive biases and other algorithm for generative information. Is like you can say generative means ChatGPT or the AI which are making images nowadays. Okay, so that is Gen AI, generative AI. We can't use logistic regression in that models. Okay, so this is all about what is logistic regression, and now how it is different from linear regression. Okay, in linear regression, what I said that we may first of all this name linear regression is because it draw a linear line, and logistic it use sigmoid function is like sigmoid function goes to s and linear activation goes like straight. Okay, but linear regression mostly use to find a perfect line which actually which can cover most of the data set. Okay, but if we use linear regression as a classification, then you can see that how poorly this line is going. But if you see logistic regression, you can see how good this line is fitting. Okay, so what is the formula of linear regression? We have seen in the previous videos, that is y equal to b naught plus b1 xi, and formula of this is fx equal to 1 by 1 plus e minus x, e to power minus x. Okay, so this is the formula of sigmoid. Here fx is our y, x is our dependent independent variable, y is our independent variable. Here y is our independent variable, sorry, y is our dependent variable, x is our independent variable, and this is bias and this is weight. Okay, so this is a difference between linear and logistic regression. Now, logistic regression is of three types: binary, multinomial, ordinal. Okay, binary as binary is the name suggests that binary means two. Means binary logistic regression is like this one. It divide two is like one or zero. It divide two different categories like this. Okay. Wait. Yeah, this one is binary logistic regression. Sorry, so my health is not well. Okay, so after that we have multinomial logistic regression. What is multinomial logistic regression? In multinomial logistic regression, we have three or more than three classes, like the orange banana problem I showed you earlier. Okay, and in ordinal we have order. It's like easy, medium, hard. You can see this is order. So this is our three type of logistic regression, and this is a chart which is like a good one if you are going for exam. Is like number of categories, and does order of category matter? First, binomial, there should be two. Multinomial, three or more. Ordinal, three or more. But order does not matter in binomial, multinomial, but it matter in ordinal. Okay, so binomial means two, that means two classes. Multinomial means many classes, more than two means three, four, or many multiples. Ordinal means order: small, medium, large, easy, hard, normal, etc. Okay, now as last point is advantage and disadvantage. So advantages are that it's very easy to implement. It's using the sigmoid function. Okay, interpretability, that we can interpret the logistic regression because it can provide insight which we can see directly if you have a little bit knowledge of maths, and it's very efficient if you have small data. On the big data it fails, but small data it's very efficient. Okay, and what are disadvantages? That it assume that everything is a linear things. Okay, it draws the line everywhere. Okay, to classify something is like drawing line like this, but there are many cases like where my more 90% data is here but 20% is here, but line can't separate it. Okay, so there it fails, and it's very sensitive to outliers, It's like if you have not cleaned the data using data science, then and outliers are there in your data, then your model will fail. And last but not the least, that it's like limited to linear decision boundary. What this means is uh, in wait, I will show you here. Yeah, it made a boundary like here. From above from this boundary, it is one. Below are zero. So if something is here and and it is zero, sorry, it is one, then of course it will predict it zero, but it is one. So it's like because of boundary system, it is quite wrong. Okay, so this was advantages and disadvantages of the logistic regression, and it was all about logistic regression. In the recap, I tell you, first we learned what is supervised, what is classification, types of classification, logistic regression, difference between linear and logistic regression, types of logistic regression, binary, multinomial, ordinal, what are these, advantages, disadvantages. And according to me, if you write this thing in the 8 mark question of the paper, you will get full number. Okay, so in the next video, of course, we will jump on to the implementation of this. So until then, bye bye, meet you in the next video, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe it. Okay, so bye bye.